All right, let's recap a little bit. This was our starting photo, and the original video was corrupt. So we'll go into artStudio. We're going to go to File, we'll go Open. This is what we made with the original photo. And since the original video was corrupt, I'm going to go over some of the same techniques. All right, we're going to add detail to these buildings. I kind of like the fact that this looks a lot like the Spider-Man art, Into the Spider-Verse. Okay. So I want to keep doing that as I go down. So just do one at a time. It's not exactly what I wanted, but I'm going to use it. So we go saturation all the way up, and we'll adjust the hue. We'll go right there. Apply. Then we're going to go to filter. We're going to add noise. Preview. Looks good. I'm going to apply. And we'll do it again. This time, I'm going to start here. We're going to overlap. Right there. Oh, I did it again. Okay, well, sometimes when that happens, what you got to do is zoom in. Although I kind of like that, so I'm going to try it. Do saturation. Do that. Apply. I'll just leave it like that. Let's do this. I'm gonna go right here. Over to here. Go up there. Oh, I did it again. Well, that's okay. We're just gonna work with it. Same thing. Adjust the hue and saturation all the way up. Apply. I'm not gonna do the noise on that one. Okay. Now, I want to be a little more precise with this one. So we'll go over. I'm gonna go up to this level, then over, then up, then over, and that's what I wanted. Hue and saturation again. All the way up with saturation. We can zoom out so we can see a little better. And which way do we want to go with it? I kind of like the blue. Let's apply that. And on to the next one. And this one, let's just do part of it. So we'll go like this. Go like this. I'll go like that. Same thing, adjust hue and saturation. And this time, let's go. Let's go with the red, purple. And then let's go in and adjust curve. Let's try that. And we can zoom in. Let's just do this little section here. That's fine. Adjust curves. Just give it a contrast and apply. All right, so we did a little bit more on that. And I showed how to do this last time. And we're going to have to do another example of that. Oops. Let's see here. Let's try right here. We'll do a sphere. And put that there. We'll do spray paint. And let's go orange. We'll just let's adjust that to a little more. All right, let's just go all the way. And let's do a lighter color. And let's do a lighter color yet. Okay, we can actually take some swirls. Let's just swirl it. Change the size of the swirls. Okay, then we go back, turn it off. Now we have a new planet there. And if you don't like it, I believe you can just erase it with the back button here. Although I do kind of like it. So there we are. That's all I'm going to do right now. I'm just testing this format. See if people like it. So if you like it, like and subscribe.